fact, we are getting some more news there on that, what happened really today in the Supreme Court regarding Lieutenant General Bikram Singh. My colleague Arunachalam Vaidyanathan joining us for more. Vaidya, what more details do you have?
The information from the Supreme Court is that Supreme Court has dismissed the petition against Bikram Singh. Basically, the petition wanted some sort of stay on centre's decision to appoint him because of the allegations against Bikram Singh. So today, Supreme Court dismissed it, saying that they don't find any justiciable ground to interfere with the centre's decision on appointing Bikram Singh. At the same time, Supreme Court also said this dismissal of the petition will not in any way affect other pending proceedings in courts or otherwise. So now, as far as the Bikram Singh is concerned, it's very clear. So the Supreme Court has dismissed it. But before that, the centre submitted two secret files pertaining to the appointment of Bikram Singh, which was discussed by the Cabinet Committee on Appointment. So centre also told the court all this process started in December 2011, and after that, IB was asked to go through the report basically about Bikram Singh, whether it's so. This all allegations were even put on record, and also reasons were given before the appointing committee, which examined all. After that, it cleared the file. In fact, Defense Minister cleared the file. Then it was sent to the Prime Minister. After the Prime Minister clearing the file, sent to the Home Minister also. And the centre also told all process of all the allegations against Bikram Singh were placed before the Cabinet Committee, and the reasons for the allegations were also given after being examined by the IB. So PM as well as the Defense Minister, Home Minister all cleared the file. But the petitioners argued finding holes with the centre's appointment, saying that the 2-3 points which the centre argued in the morning were wrong. One, it was saying the centre in the morning said that the criteria for appointment of Army Chief is 1 year residual service should be there. But Kamini Jaiswal, appearing for the petitioners, told the court saying that's wrong. The service criteria for appointing Army Chief is he should be the commandant. He should have served as a commandant for 1 year. Centre also corrected that. And also Kamini Jaiswal arguing, saying that when the Court of Inquiry is going at mirror about Bikram Singh's role, how can he be appointed? In fact, the Cabinet Committee has been misled. But the court said we have gone through all the files. He was not a part of he was not a part of Indian delegation. Basically, there is a technical word which basically said that his job was a secondment, which basically means a kind of deputation. So court did not agree with the averments or arguments made by the petitioners. So at the end of the hearing, it dismissed the petition, saying that we don't find any justiciable ground in interfering with the centre's decision in appointing Bikram Singh as the next Army Chief. At the same time, and the petitioner wanted that already there is a case pending before the J&K High Court, and also the Court of Inquiry is also going against his alleged role in the UN peacekeeping force at Congo. And court said that even though we are dismissing it, it will not affect it will not have an impact or affect the other proceedings either in court or in any other forum.
All right, Vaidya, just stay with us. Let's just go across to NDTV's defense editor, Nitin Gokhale, who's joining us now. Nitin, what does this really mean? Does this mean that this controversy will now be put to rest?
Well, certainly it was expected. The courts are not known to interfere in vital appointments in the government, and especially appointments pertaining to armed forces. The centre, having given the files, the court wanted to satisfy itself with that the process and the procedure was followed the way the appointments are to be made. And having satisfied themselves, the court clearly did not want to entertain the PIL, which was against Lieutenant General Bikram Singh's appointment as the next Army Chief. So clearly the paths are now clear for him to take over as the next Army Chief on 31st of May, when the current incumbent General VK Singh retires on that particular day. Remember, the court is also importantly, like Vaidyanathan was pointing out, that this will not affect the ongoing case in the Jammu and Kashmir High Court or any other court of inquiry that may be on in cases relating to either Congo or some other cases relating to Bikram Singh. But now that the Supreme Court has cleared or dismissed the PIL, it's the path for Bikram Singh to become India's next Army Chief is clear.
Just to recap for our viewers, Nitin, just take us through that case, the allegations there against the Lieutenant General.
Well, there were basically three allegations. One was that there's a court case pending against him in the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, alleging that he was involved in a fake encounter in 2001. That case, as I said, is still going on, but the Supreme Court has said, irrespective of that case going on, they don't find any merit in quashing his appointment as the next army chief. The second point was about his tenure, General Bikram Singh's tenure in Congo, when he was the deputy force commander, controlling 3 brigades of multinational forces, including Indian battalions, Indian forces there. And that time some allegations about sexual misconduct of troops, Indian troops especially, had come up, and therefore the petitioners had said that he should be held responsible for not disciplining or not keeping the Indian troops under control.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.